Hello there.
What's up? We're doing just, I didn't even tell them what we're doing.
No, he didn't.
We're just gonna do a quick vlog here, because that's what we're gonna do now when I can't figure out, when I'm too lazy to edit videos, and well, there's not really much to edit. Sorry for no posting, I guess, for the 10 viewers we have.
I blame it on Ryan.
Whatever, bullshit, you know what? What, I mean, so the only video we got coming right now is just him fucking around with his truck.
That's all we do, though.
Well, we're just putting together, putting all your steering hardware on that ain't doing much. We're in the Red Beast, as you can probably hear.
My tires are airplanes.
Cody's about,
Yeah,
Cody's about to run somebody over.
My tires identify as airplanes. It's 2019, they can be whatever they want.
I guess so. Probably be better off being boats, but they float you.
Nah, we'd have to put a lot of PSI in them to make it float.
So we just want to give you an update video, just quick video here. Trying to get some plans around.
Hopefully you get a video of my Dakota.
Yeah, we'll try and get video Dakota. We got a couple other friends that want to post their, show off their vehicles. We got a couple nice ones, better
I
than
like that truck.
better than the ones we got so far. But
yes. That's how you have to drive this truck. It ain't got no power.
maximum effort.
Never-ending mods.
Never-ending.
I should take the camera to work tomorrow. I think I'm doing a diff. Or axle seals. I got the diff part tonight.
You can take it. I'm using my phone right now just because it's easier.
It doesn't need to be that great of quality. I'm not really showing anything.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, if you want to take the camera though, or you use your phone, it don't matter. I'm sure your phone has fine camera. It's not gonna be in 4K though. Although I don't know if we can even upload it in 4K, so I don't know if the videos are even gonna be in 4K.
Why not?
Just how it works. I'll have to do some editing. I have to take the camera and I gotta put all the videos on my computer yet, so I can edit them and hopefully we can update them.
Need to put more power steering fluid in here. No, all the bubbles have worked out.
Look at that, turn that one. Yep, the wheels. No.
This is with brand new steering parts. Gearbox, linkage.
Nothing.
At least I know they won't break.
This is true.
This ain't so good. I got her. Well, to the right, my turning radius is terrible. To the left, it's amazing.
I don't know what way this is supposed to be. I think I might have flipped it. I don't know. I don't remember.
Now you flipped it again?
I think it was like this. I think we were upside down there for a little bit.
I can't even honk at you.
What are we going to do now, Cody?
Well, we have to return the power steering pump because I didn't feel like doing it. It ain't fun. Need more viewers.
Oh, look at that sexy beast. Oh, yes.
Show them the fender.
Show them. Oh, yeah, look at that crack. Everybody likes crack. Oh, my God. She alright, though. Not bad. I wonder if there's a spot up here I can just, like... You think that's gonna stay?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
Not a chance.
Not a chance. Fucking not in it as well. I don't think it's gonna get us. Gets me perfect.
I think it would work better with my phone because my phone's a little bigger. Fits in here a little better.
It does.
So I either have a quarter tank of gas or 3/4 of a tank of gas. I don't know.
My bet's on the quarter.
My bet's on the 3/4 because I filled it up last Wednesday and then I didn't drive it.
Bye, Dakota.
Bye.
You know, we could do a video right now.
We can come back.
Before it gets dark. We get a little food.
We do it tomorrow. We'll have more time. So Skylar's away for the weekend?
No, she's working till like 8 though. Well, staying so far. I wasn't sure returning
I wonder how loud my truck's gonna be in the video.
That's a good question.
It could be one of those.
It's a nice spot. This works.
I'm surprised it's staying.
Me too.
Show them the
We
spot
need-
for my speedometer.
I will. we need to talk about more interesting topics though. We need like a topic.
So the Dakota is getting an alignment soon because it's just god awful. And
This one isn't.
well, this one's not that bad compared to that one. I can only go like 35 miles an hour in it. But tires are pretty wore down. I posted a picture on Instagram of the tires I was thinking about getting.
0 comments.
No comment. No, Drew commented.
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
What did he say?
He said, fuck, what did he say?
Don't even
Oh, he
know.
told me to tag it, which I don't know how to do. I don't,
I can do that.
because I'm not very good at technology. I'm just a dumb mechanic.
That's
Yeah,
right.
it's the
Okay.
tires are pretty shitty. One of them has a belt broken, so I need to replace them. And just thinking about getting those.
They're cool though, to be honest.
They're Arturo Trailblade Bosses. They're 375, 45, or 20, which is about a 33.5 by 15. So they might look a little weird in my rims, but I'm too poor for new rims. But at least it'll be a new tire, and it'll be a cool looking tire.
Yeah, it will be.
And I like wide tires. That stance.
I want to get big rims. For sure.
Why? You just got those.
Yeah, but I want rims that, you know, can actually fit onto the specs of my Jeep.
They fit fine though, they don't rub. The rims.
Oh, when you back up and turn and
Well,
have a sharp turn.
that's the tire though, being too big. Actually, it's more of you having a shit ton of offset.
Yeah. Second, if I got...
If you got another 15 by 10, but was for your bolt pattern,
Yeah.
without the spacer, it'd probably be fine.
That's what I'm saying.
Ah, well, you didn't explain that. That's the
Oh
wrong.
yeah, that's new rims. You could have gone down
No, you can't. You have to go all the way around.
there. Oh, you're right.
Remember, all the streets are fucked up.
Yeah, you're right. It's gotta go all the way down.
At least over here, all the streets are fucked up. I didn't even hit it very hard.
She done dropped her.
Got lots of stuff planned.
I'm supposed to get a haircut today. Gal keeps yelling at me to get a haircut. I keep not getting a haircut. I should get a mohawk.
We should get matching mohawks.
We should get matching
Maxing?
matching
What are we maxing
mohawk.
out, huh?
Let's go.
Maxing out my ball joints or my
Yes.
wheel bearings?
I mean, you do that either way, but
Oh yeah, for the bulge fenders I'm getting. Since tires won't stick out far enough, we're I'm gonna get a 3-inch spacer on top of my 12 wides, and I'm gonna go through all the wheel bearings.
we gotta show them the puppies.
The puppies?
We gotta show them. Watch them poop. Oh yeah. don't know. He's peeing though. He's looking at me while he pees. And I lost. Is he peeing on? I don't know what he's doing. He's still pup. Look at him go. He's a fast motherfucker. Hey, how you doing? I'm sorry. I'm standing here, but I shouldn't be.